The Artistat is a website you'll be using to conduct statistical analysis for a class. It comes with a set of web apps which you will go to, and this is the home page of the Artistat. You want to go to web apps. You can also find some instructional videos on YouTube, but we will start with this introduction looking at the various web apps available to you. We will be starting the class with exploratory data analysis, where we have some data. The data will come in two types of variables, categorical and quantitative, so you'd be using these apps. You may find the need to use some of these other ones during the course of our class, but those are the two we would be focusing on in terms of creating statistical analysis graphs and tables, as you can kind of see here. There's some other random number generator which we will use, or there's other apps online, or even your phones now can do that. Discussion about mean versus median. So when we talk about measures of center, it'd be awesome for you to click around this and learn kind of the difference in the idea of sensitivity, sensitive to outliers, those types of concepts. Later on in the course, we'll be analyzing more than one variable. We'll be analyzing two variables or multiple variables, and so this is the space we would do it. There are also additional apps to help you learn concepts that we will reference during the class, but this will be the space to do our what we call our regression here, scatter plots, and then associations between multiple variables. The second part of the class, in the middle to the end, we start looking at distributions, and so these will be the ones we'll be using. We'll be using binomial normal t chi-square distribution. So when we get to the probability section, this is where we'll be looking. And then we talk about probability distribution, central limit theorem. Again, there'll be the apps that we use, which moves to inferential statistics with confidence intervals, hypothesis testing, which will end up using these apps here. And then the same types of analysis, but this time with two groups. And we'll be using these apps for that. So just keep that in mind that this is the Artistat, and this is where you would want to be to do our work.